Hello my bunnies, welcome back. Today we're going to be making some matcha green tea marshmallows. These are so soft, so fluffy, and super easy to make. So let's get started. Okay, so first we're going to pour 1/3 of a cup of cold water into the bowl of an electric mixer and sprinkle some powdered gelatin on top. Let this sit for 5 minutes. Then place some sugar and 1/4 cup of cold water into a small pot and set it to medium-high heat. And I'll have all the ingredients and steps listed in the description box down below. Then attach a candy thermometer to the pot and boil the sugar until it reaches 238 degrees Fahrenheit. And you can see that I changed the pot because the sugar started to crystallize. I don't know why, but that is why the pot suddenly changed. Then pour the hot sugar into the gelatin mixture and stir the mixture by hand whisking for a few minutes just to slightly cool it. And then beat it with an electric mixer on medium-high speed for 8 to 10 minutes until soft peaks form. Then we're gonna add some vanilla bean seeds or some vanilla extract, as well as some matcha green tea powder and mix until combined. And if you would like it to be a little bit more vibrant, you can add some food coloring, which I ended up doing, just like a super tiny bit. Then line an 8 by 8 inch square pan with some parchment paper and spray the parchment paper with some cooking spray. Then pour the marshmallow mixture on top and smooth the surface. Then allow the marshmallow to stiffen at room temperature for 6 hours or overnight, or just until it's firm to the touch. Then in a small bowl, combine some confectioner sugar, cornstarch, and some more matcha green tea powder, and dust it over the surface of the marshmallow. Then remove the marshmallow from the pan and dust the underside as well. Then cut the marshmallow into cubes and roll the cut edges in that sugar coating as well. And as you can see, the lighting changed, the sun set, and I was bound and determined to continue filming, so that's why it looks like this. Then bounce them in a mesh sieve to remove any excess of that sugar coating, and you are done. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. If you haven't yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you do get notified, not that you don't, so that you do get notified when I upload next. And I'll see you guys next week for a new recipe. Bye!